In this GoBuildr review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to instantly create ultra-fast websites using the power of AI with one single keyword in 60 seconds flat that you can sell for a one-time fee. And make sure you stay into the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out GoBuildr, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, warning, the next generation AI website builder is here. World's first all-in-one AI site builder instantly creates ultra lightning fast. And then it says pretty much any kind of website with just a keyword in 60 seconds flat without tech skills for a one-time fee. Essentially, you can create websites. There's no monthly fee, no hosting fees. You don't have to use any of the other expensive software out there. You can use the power of AI in order to do this and even sell these websites to other people. Now, they have some income screenshots here of people that have made money selling websites. I mean, people do make a lot of money selling websites out there. It is a way of making money, and you can potentially use the software in order to do that. But of course, no software is going to automatically print you money. This is just a tool to help you to provide a service. Just always remember that, please. Step one, it says, I guess it says here you have opt-in pages, landing pages, professional websites, sales funnels, e-commerce stores, dropshipping websites, agency websites, all affiliate review sites, all of these things that you can create with the software. You can, of course, go out there and sell these on places like Upwork and Fiverr and keep all the money. You can replace any kind of, if you're using like Wix or if you're using ClickFunnels, any of these other software out there that are costing you a monthly fee, you can replace them now and just have this one-time fee software. Now, if I go down here to the bottom, you got a bunch of bonuses here. And you get all this stuff right here. There is an upgrade for the, it looks like some kind of a instant profit thing. I don't know what that is. It's a $9.95 upgrade. But what I do want you to do is make sure you move your mouse away. You can get a discount on this. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that. So please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Now I'm going to play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back, show you an actual website, the backend area, and the OTOs and discounts.
Did you know the website creation industry is worth $3.5 billion? It's booming by the day. And there are over 1.13 billion websites in the world as of February 2024. You've likely created sites for yourself using platforms like ClickFunnels, OptimizePress, Shopify, Wix, and countless of others, as it is a must for everyone who wants to have a business presence online. And if you thought ClickFunnels, Convertri, Shopify, or Wix was amazing, then GoBuildr will make you say, holy smokes. Yes, that's right. It's 16 times better than any page builder out there because it combines all their functionality into one single app, and even better and smarter with our AI-assisted technology. That means you can create 16 times better websites, sales funnel, landing pages, e-commerce stores, dropshipping sites, LMS or course websites, local business sites, digital marketplace, portfolio websites. And unlike other page builders, GoBuildr builds real functioning websites and not just website with templates. Would that interest you? The good news is, you can finally access something 16 times more powerful than any page builder out there. We took AI from the biggest tech companies in the world, Google and OpenAI, ChatGPT Creator, and we fused their power together into an even more powerful all-in-equals-one website creation software, exactly 16 times smarter than any page builder. Our revolutionary AI site builder isn't just a tool, it's your gateway to building and automating your business without hiring staff or paying huge fees. Meet GoBuildr, your next generation all-in-one AI website builder. GoBuildr is the only app that creates ultra lightning fast, fully functional websites, funnels, e-com store, course websites, digital marketplace, portfolio websites, local business websites, appointment booking sites, and agency websites in less than 60 seconds with just a keyword. Ask GoBuildr to create any type of website and get your website completed in 60 seconds flats. No disappointment. Work 24/7 365 days. Never waste money on freelancers, contractors, or ineffective employees again. GoBuildr comes with 2,000 plus pre-built website templates to create site for any niche. Write code in any programming language. Create sleek-looking websites. Generate SEO-friendly content that quickly ranks on Google. And that's just 0.1% of what it can do. We are really scratching the surface. Because GoBuildr is so powerful, you can even create your advanced database-driven website. Yes, just imagine that for a second. Building your own Amazon, Shopify, ClickFunnels. That just shows how powerful GoBuildr is. Aside using GoBuildr to start your own online business, here are a few ways you could start making money. You could go on sites like Upwork and charge thousands of dollars for dropshipping sites, e-com stores, and funnels, and use GoBuildr to develop them. Another way to make money would be to provide local businesses with websites designed by GoBuildr and charge them $2,000 to $3,000. Or, you can build an affiliate review site and receive commissions from platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and Amazon. Really, the possibilities here are endless. When you get your hands on GoBuildr, you'll join hundreds of our users, who are profiting by offering various services to people and businesses. That's because GoBuildr can create any type of website for you, difficult website task you throw it at. Here's how easy it is to get started. Finally, get all your landing pages, funnels, e-com stores, dropshipping stores, digital marketplace, agency websites, local business websites, appointment websites, and more, done in 60 seconds by AI. You're just 3 steps away from having your own never-seen-before, all-in-one AI site builder that creates your own AI-powered, ultra-blazing fast, loading website that is up and running 24/7 365 days. Step 1. Look below this video and click the yellow button to get a copy of GoBuildr. Do this now to get GoBuildr while it's still available for a one-time price. The monthly pricing will kick in soon, so don't miss out. Step 2. When you're inside of GoBuildr, ask it anything using voice command or text. For example, if you want GoBuildr to create a
swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat, you better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
one-time investment, which will quickly pay for itself, considering the various services you can provide to people. The sky's the limit here. Now, don't wait any longer to get your hands on GoBuildr, because although we aren't charging a monthly fee yet, that will change. In order to support our server costs, we will be forced to take this action, so no, this isn't any fake scarcity thrown at you to get you to buy quicker. Time is running out, and if you come back later to buy, there's a good chance you'll be paying a monthly fee. Why do that when you could have taken action earlier and gotten access for a one-time price? Remember, there isn't anything else out there that exists. No other app has fused together the power of both Google and Microsoft's already powerful AI into an all-in-one AI site builder. GoBuildr is the only tool that can pull this off, and it will save you thousands of dollars, countless headaches, and infinite hours of work by creating any type of website for you. Whether you're a content marketer, video marketer, copywriter, offline marketer, local business owner, email list builder, or really anyone who's doing online marketing, GoBuildr will make your life a whole lot easier. And if all these features weren't enough to get you off the fence, I'm going to make this a complete no-brainer for you. I'm going to give you a full 180 days to test out GoBuildr, risk-free. If you don't like GoBuildr for even the silliest reason, come to us and we'll refund 100% of your money, with zero hassles. That means, there is absolutely zero way for you to lose here. All of the risk is on our shoulders. So what are you waiting for? It's impossible for you to fail here. But do know, time is running out, and it's only a matter of time till the monthly pricing kicks in. Click the button below right now to get GoBuildr while it's still available for a low, one-time price. I can't wait to see you inside.
Okay, so we're back. So this is a preview website made with the software. You can see it looks actually really nice. A very nice layout with it, very clean. It's the kind of layout that I actually like. And then you can have different links to different things inside of your site and set it up exactly how you want to make it. Now there are, of course, the back end area of this. You have all your templates. You have all your different sites. You can track your analytics, manage your products, your projects with this, all inside of this backend area. Now there are multiple upgrades. First one is unlimited, so you can make unlimited websites with this. And if you, of course, you want to move your mouse away to get a discount. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please again hit that like button. I appreciate it. Next one is they'll actually set it up for you, and they say so you can enjoy $597 a day on autopilot. I don't know how that's going to happen, but they will set it up for you. Move your mouse away and get a $100 discount. Next one is you can get an automated version of this. Move your mouse away and get a $20 discount. Then they've got another one that are looks like some kind of an income booster. Move your mouse away and get a discount. Next one is a traffic one. Move your mouse away and get a $20 discount. They've got another one for affiliate campaigns to potentially profit from. Move your mouse away and get a discount. Another one where it looks like some kind of a mobile course. Move your mouse away and get a discount. And the last one is your reseller rights, so you can actually sell this and keep 100% of the commissions. Move your mouse away, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about GoBuildr and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I still think that making websites using like WordPress and doing it manually is like the best way to do it, unless you're using AI to kind of help set it up. Just be aware that you're going to have mistakes made by the AI. It's not going to be like a perfect website. It's not going to be as good as a real person. What do I like about it? That all being said, if you want to make sites really quickly, you don't want to spend the hours or pay thousands of dollars to have someone do it for you, this could be an alternative. If so, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my GoBuildr review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.